Hi, I'm Bob Klare. I'm with the Gulf South chapter of GEAPS. I work for EDG Consulting Engineers. I've been with the Gulf South for 20 years. I've been the Gulf South Secretary for the last 15. I've served GEAPS in a lot of positions before. I've been on the Associate Board of Directors. I've been on the Foundation Board, the Chapter Resource Committee, and the Host Advisory Committee when Exchange was in New Orleans. I'm excited about the changes that GEAPS is going through right now, the initiatives that the board is currently undertaking, the acquisition of Grain Journal and the development of the GEAPS Media Group, the addition of IOMSA into the GEAPS family, the development of virtual events. All of these things I think are fantastic and they show a lot of energy on the part of the GEAPS board, and I'm eager to be a part of that.